If you have a job interview soon, stay in this video. These 3 hacks can help you pass easily. Hack number 1, answer in STAR format. Situation, task, action, result. This helps you tell a clear story and prove your experience without rambling. It also shows that you think logically, something every interviewer loves. Hack number 2, when asked, tell me about yourself. Focus only on your experience, skills, and goals. Avoid personal stories. Interviewers want to know what you can do for the company, not your hobbies or childhood. Hack number 3, practice with your phone camera before the interview. Watching yourself helps you fix your tone, body language, and smile. You'll sound confident and natural. Remember, less talk, fewer mistakes. Subscribe for more simple interview hacks.